In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make SurveyMonkey surveys not anonymous. First things first, you'll want to head over to SurveyMonkey's official website. Start by clicking on the login button. For a swift login, you can use your Google account. Just click on Google and choose the account you'd like to use. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, look for the projects section. This is where all of your survey projects are housed. Now, to edit a specific survey, locate the survey you wish to alter. You'll see there are 3 dots or an options button next to your survey project. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. Within the options that appear, click on Edit Survey. This is your gateway to making changes to your survey, including its anonymity settings. As the survey opens up for editing, you're going to need to set up how you collect responses. Look for a button or tab that says Collect Responses and give that a click. This action takes you to the section where you can manage how responses are collected, which is crucial for adjusting anonymity settings. Within the Collect Responses area, click on your collector's name. Each collector might have different settings, so it's important to choose the right one for the survey you want to adjust. Now the crucial part, changing the anonymity setting, locate the Anonymous Responses option. By default, SurveyMonkey sets surveys to collect responses anonymously to protect respondents' privacy. However, if your survey requires non-anonymous responses for valid reasons, you can adjust this setting. Click on Off. Include respondents' IP addresses in your survey results to turn off the anonymous collection of responses. This means that SurveyMonkey will include IP addresses in the survey results, which can give you a bit more information about respondents, though it is still limited in terms of personal identification. A quick note, when making a survey non-anonymous, it's always good practice to be transparent with your respondents about the type of data you're collecting and why. Privacy is important, and being upfront about your data collection practices helps build trust. And that's it. You've now successfully adjusted the settings to make your SurveyMonkey survey not anonymous. Remember, these settings can be changed back at any time should you decide to revert to collecting responses anonymously. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Whether it's for academic research, customer feedback, or event planning, you now know how to tweak the anonymity settings of your SurveyMonkey surveys to suit your needs.